Hey guys, have some new minty fresh deals that I want to share with you. We have Walmart deals, we have Amazon deals. The Amazon deals are all going to be linked down below. The Walmart deals, we're going to use the YouTube shopping links. Before we get into this heart deal, I have one other deal I want to show you super quick. We're going to kick things off with this new Darren multi-port charger. We talked about this in a previous video. They got wind of it and decided to send me one. So they sent me this for free so I can show it to you in this video. But they also gave me a 40% promo code. So we'll have that link down below if you're interested. 180 watt multi-port charger. You have the old school USB-A's, the 15 watt output on each of those, and the newer USB-C's, 45 watt output on each of those. So whether you have tablet, cell phone, Bluetooth speakers, a smartwatch, you know, we all have all these devices now. So a nice little power station that can do it all for you. See the plug-in on the back. Uses a traditional, outlet, plug into a wall outlet there. And it does have this removable base, the little non-slip base there. And it just slides on in like so. You can put it at your computer desk or something. But it's nice and compact if you need to use it in a travel scenario or whatever. So again, new Darren up to 180 total watts if you're using up all those ports. And we have that 40% promo code if it's something you're interested in. And now back to the Hart 8-inch multifunction linesman pliers, comfort grips, normally $17.84 down to $12.48. Of course, if you are a Walmart Plus member, you're going to get free shipping with that. But Walmart, as you probably already know, is clearancing out all the Hart stuff. A lot of it is already gone. With the cordless stuff, you're kind of worried, okay, can you get batteries in the future? Can you get chargers? Hand tools like this, I don't know what's going to happen with the lifetime warranty. Is it TTI? I think it is still going to be in business, so they may still have that. But either way, $12.48 for your linesman. First Amazon deal to share with you is the 508-piece rotary tool accessory kit, rotary bits, universal grinding, sanding, cutting, polishing by Grip-Son. I love when they come with these handy-dandy cases. So for me, even when I use up one of these stones or something, I'm going to replenish and put it back in the case because it's just too damn convenient to not keep using the case. 508 piece. Now keep in mind, there's a bunch of cutting wheels and all these little guys right here, and that's going to make up a lot of your 508 pieces. Normally $24.99, but right now we have a 40% promo code. Not sure when it expires, but I did just check the code right before starting the video, so it is working right now. Of course, you click right there, get the green check. That's going to copy the code to the clipboard of your device. You can easily check out on Amazon, paste it at the checkout screen. Another Hart tool deal to share with you. Why do they got this spinny thing? Is that really helping anybody? Does anyone care about that? It's like a little rotisserie thing, like we're buying a car. Hart 7-piece. You ever seen when they put on the car on that? 7-piece SAE ratcheting wrench. I kind of like it with the car, not so much the wrenches. With tool pouch. Okay, yeah, I guess that's probably the pouch down here. I was going to say this looks like a rack. I would call it a rack or a holder. Tool pouch, normally $28.54 down to $19.97. Again, 7-piece SAE. There's your pouch. Starting at 3/8, going up to 3/4 of an inch. $19.97. Back to Amazon, the 7-piece countersink drill bit set, high speed steel, 1/4-inch hex adjustable stop by GM. Handy dandy case. You got your depth stop there. It even comes with the bit. Not sure if you really need the bit it comes with, but it's there. $21.99, 40% off. Supposed to go through the 23rd. $15 or so. Gotta get back in the groove. Took a couple of days off. If you didn't notice, didn't have much uploaded to the website the last couple of days, but had to take a little break. But we're back at it, getting all caught up now. Back to Walmart, Chameleon 25-foot Power Blade 2 tape measure. Normally $11.39 down to $3.99. Now, if you caught the post earlier today on the website, Amazon also had a Chameleon tape measure that was, I believe, $3.29. It's not available at that price anymore. But this is actually the one that was on Amazon is the exact tape measure that I have. But this one's still very similar. Again, 25-footer. You ever seen the videos on the bench? There's a little clip there, and that's where that tape measure, the Amazon one hangs. Anyway, I tend to like these. So we have a good picture of what it looks like the tape. I don't think so. $3.99. Jump starter with air compressor, 2500 amp, 12 volt portable car battery booster pack. It's 150 psi inflator auto shut off by Locathor. Had someone send an email asking about a promo code on one of these, so I found this one. Thought we'd throw it up for everybody to take a gander. I like the 2-in-1s because it's like you got two different devices that are super handy. Actually, just today, I had to go to a gas station to figure out. Have you ever gone to a gas station to try and get air? It's like doing a jigsaw puzzle, trying to read all the instructions. I'm like, dude, compressor, turn on, let me hit the air. Like, what are we doing here? This is ridiculous. Why? You say, hey, you talk about these cordless inflators. Look, the person had a cordless inflator that they didn't charge. Like, oh, you have an inflator, right? It's not charged. Oh, good thing you have one. So this one starts out at $85.95. Hey, how about you keep it charged? Little due diligence, keep it charged. You know, you can lead the horse to water, but how long can you hold its head under it? $85.95. We have a 20% promo code. Again, that is good right now. Right now, posted this earlier today. And a 30% coupon. Those do stack. You get both of them. They both come off the 85. So you end up paying about $43 for your 2-in-1. It'll jumpstart your car. It'll inflate your tires. It'll tell you what your PSI is. You won't have to figure out how to work the janky-ass gas station version. Hill, 20-piece, 5-inch sandpaper kit, multi-grit, 60, 80, 120, 240. 20-piece hook and loop, $4.90. Now, it's a really good deal, but I will tell you, if you don't mind the generic ones that we can find on Amazon, you can get a better deal than this. If you're trying to stick with the name brand stuff you know and love, this is a pretty good deal. I would say usually the Amazon ones are pretty good. However, I have had, actually, you know what? I'm trying to think. Did I buy it at Amazon? I think it was a Menards product. It was a Menards product. I bought sandpaper. It was so crappy. If you hold it was like it was like a sheet. It wasn't like a little pad. If you just held it in your hand and brushed your other hand across it a few times, you would have a pile of sand at your feet and you would be holding a newspaper. It was god awful stuff. But that was just sold at Menards, so I guess, any place can sell junk. $4.90 for the skill. Olympia Tools, 9-inch locking pliers and welding clamp. It's going to be $6.24 on Amazon. Of course, Prime members are getting free shipping on that. Tractor Supply sells the exact same item for $19.99. Of course, they're going to add shipping on top of that, too. So, a really good deal if you need some locking pliers or welding clamp over on Amazon. You'll notice every once in a while you're going to be seeing product boxes from on my website that are totally different like this. Amazon made a change around June 13th. I know because it's been screwing with my website ever since they did, where they are blocking. My website needs API access to get like the picture and the title and the prices and all that stuff, and they're blocking access to products that they have deemed are frequently returned. And it can be stuff from major brands, it can be everything. And so if you ever go and you see just a blank page on my site, it's because Amazon's blocking that, which has caused updating of pricing to go totally haywire. Everything is screwed up. I pay for a program that does all this stuff, and it's been over a month, and I keep thinking that, they're going to fix their stuff, and they haven't set out an update, so I don't know if I have to figure this out on my own or what's going on. Next deal, by the way, 28-pack mouse repellent tablets, powerful peppermint oil mice repellent, suitable for indoor and outdoor use. 28-pack, $29.99, 50% promo code makes it $14.99. Supposed to go through the 23rd. Now, I bought these when I first posted it. I haven't received them yet, so I don't know how well they work, but I have used peppermint oil in the past to keep mice out of my vehicles and out of a shed of mine, and the peppermint oil itself works really well. What I would do is dip cotton balls in it and then put it in a little cup and put it either in the car or in the shed or whatever, which, if you've ever bought peppermint oil, it's actually very expensive. So I'm just hoping overall, depending how long these things last, it says 30 to 60 days, that this is a better option. At least maybe easier. I was a little worried at first that the peppermint oil might like stain something. It's strong though, like that's why I started putting it in a cup. I didn't first put it in a cup. It's a very strong smell. Men's athletic shorts 2-pack. You guys know I like to throw in the clothing deals a little bit, keep you looking snazzy. 2-pack breathable running shorts with pockets. You gotta get these with pockets. What are you gonna do without pockets? Your phone, your wallet, your keys. You just hold them in your hand all day? Like, no. Gotta have pockets. So 2-pack, different colors and sizes available. $14.99, 50% promo code. That's $7.50 for two. Real good deal. Stay comfy. 400-watt car power inverter, 12 volt to 110 AC inverter. You got a power delivery port of 30 watts, 15-watt USB, two AC outlets. Plug that into your cigarette lighter. Boy, how long is it going to be before like kids don't even know that that little port was called a cigarette lighter? They probably call it like a 12-volt outlet, or they don't know. They're stupid. Oh man, kids these days are stupid. Parents, do better. Why are your kids so damn dumb? And teach them how to read a clock, please. Please teach them how to read a clock. It's embarrassing. You're embarrassing me. We're from the same country and you can't read a clock? Oh, it hurts. They're stupid. 34.97, 37% promo code. Not sure when it expires. It is good right now. For your 400-watt inverter. You got a Scott's Whirl hand-powered spreader, fertilizer, seed, salt. Salt, that's the one for me. Gotta get that pet-friendly stuff, though. Don't want to hurt little Scooter's paws. That wouldn't be nice. 1,500 square feet. $21.99. I believe on Amazon that was listed as a 90-day low. Home Depot, $27.57. Ace Hardware, $34. $21.99. All right, guys, that is it. Again, I'm still getting all caught up. Want to get something out because it's been a while since we've been able to do a video, but I got a nice little backlog that we are going to tackle and get lots of new deals up and going on the site. So make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.